I believe in pro-choice. You chose to have unprotected sex. You chose not to use a top cat smoking tattoos I love mom shirt. I would like to say, in case it's not obvious, I'm not talking about rape. When you have two consenting adults who are of the right mind and they choose to have top cat smoking tattoos I love mom shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. The difference is that you have less financial autonomy than you do bodily autonomy. So getting pregnant does not sign away your rights to control your top cat smoking tattoos I love mom shirt, away your rights to at least a portion of your money. The father has no right to control the woman's body, but the child, if born, certainly has a right to child support. So a woman can lie about being on birth control, get pregnant, and he has to financially support her lie for the rest of his life? How is that? Other product.